In 1867, Sir Thomas Hanbury bought a large property on Cape Mortala on the Riviera at the border between Italy and France to create a botanical garden that soon became world famous. The land was already cultivated, and within the property there were crops of citrus and olive trees, which he added to, along with a variety of exotic fruit and ornamental plants from French, Sicilian and Genoese nurseries. The citrus are species originating from Asia, and all varieties grown today are descended from these wild progenitors. The sweet orange, the best known, was introduced to Europe from the East, probably by the Portuguese in the mid-15th century. In Liguria, citrus fruits were cultivated in Nervi, Genoa, San Remo and Menton since the 16th century. Today, the Hanbury collection comprises of about 270 citrus trees, including ancient ornamental and fruiting varieties. There are nearly 60 different entities of sweet oranges, bitter oranges, lemons, limes, cedri, quinotti, grapefruit, shaddocks, bergamot, and others. Many are important for food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals, as well as ornamental. They are growing in various parts of the garden. These plants are all sustainably grown. We control pests organically, subject to scientific criteria. Some activities are of an experimental nature and are conducted in collaboration with other countries' research institutions. Many citrus produce fruit with abundant seeds and therefore do not have good commercial qualities. However, the conservation of these varieties is very important for the maintenance of the biodiversity in terms of genetic, historical and agronomic profile, also in line with any future processing. Among the citrus genus are the very showy shaddock that produce fruit of more than 2 kilos and 25 centimeters in diameter, with very thick scented peel. The largest number of plants, however, are those of the bitter orange or Seville orange, orange, vanilla, and lemon. The fruit of the bitter orange is the key ingredient of marmalade, the typical English breakfast accompaniment. These bitter orange growing on the Riviera are a sign of cultural exchanges between the Mediterranean and the Orient, which gave rise to almost all varieties of citrus. The English love for gardens and nature is reflected in the legacy of the Hanbury Botanical Gardens, now a regionally protected area managed by the University of Genoa.